Hey dolls, Stylevana did it again. This is their Stylevana Vana pouch, and this one is a curated bundle of trending Korean beauty products. And yes, this pouch even includes the mini Medicube device. So I'll walk you through everything inside, how each one feels on my skin, and why this might be the best K-beauty bundle you can get your hands on right now. First of all, let's talk about the pouch itself. The pouch is really nice. It's made really well. I love the color. It's silver and gold. I love the details with the Stylevana logo here. And I love the Stylevana boxes, but after removing all the products in the box, you just throw the box, right? But at least now you have the pouch that you can reuse and travel with. So let's see what's inside. First, we have the ABIB Acne Foam Cleanser. I'm not sure, is it a bib or ABIB? Anyways, this is their Acne Foam Cleanser Heart Leaf Foam. So I have already tried everything in this box, and I love that this one has a gentle foam. It gives a deep, satisfying cleanse without stripping your skin. It feels like very airy and bouncy, and it calms my redness thanks to the heart leaf in it. My skin really loves heart leaf, so if your skin has also been loving heart leaf, then this will be a great cleanser. And I like that even though it's an acne cleanser, it has this soothing effect. And I love that when I rinse it off, my skin wasn't dry at all. It's actually a bit moisturized. Okay, next we have this Isntree ultra low molecular hyaluronic acid toner. Now, I have not heard anything bad about this toner. She is a crowd pleaser. And what I like about this toner is that it really sinks in fast, and it has this ultra low molecular hyaluronic acid, so it makes your skin drink it up like water. Super hydrating, but not sticky, not heavy. And I love that it comes in a mini bottle because the big one, the full size one, is really huge. So I love that I can travel with this now, and now I can just put it in my purse and just pat it on my face whenever I need to. Next one, we have this Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Probiotic Barrier Essence. Now, this one is one of the thickest essence I have ever tried. It's weird because when you dispense it on, like, I really have to tap it. See, it's very thick. I wish they put it in a pump instead, because like, see, it's so hard to get out. There you go. So it's almost like a moisturizer, but once you spread it, it's actually fast absorbing and feels very light. This product is great for skin barrier support. This is intriguing because it says AKA Macchioli. I think it's like, you know, the alcoholic rice drink that you always see on K-dramas. Macchioli. It is! Wait, is this alcoholic? No, it doesn't smell like alcohol. It doesn't have any scent at all. Maybe the rice that they use for making that drink is black rice. I'm not too sure. So far, I think that this product is great if you have dry or dehydrated skin. Next, we have this Some by Me Beta Pantanol Repair Cream. I find that the theme of this box is more for like skin barrier support. It's really getting hot. We're going into the summer season, and usually the sun really weakens our skin barrier. So I love that most of the products here are helping you protect your skin barrier or helping you repair your skin barrier. I really love a lot of products from Some by Me, like their toner, like their 30 days AHA, BHA, PHA. And so far when I use this moisturizer, I think that this is such a great moisturizer as well. It's not too heavy, not too light. It's just in the middle. Next, we have this K-Secret Seoul 1988 eye cream. This one has retinal, liposome 4% plus fermented bean. I think that this one is a powerhouse. The retinal helps with fine lines while the fermented bean brightens. When I use this, it glides really smoothly and absorbs without any greasiness. Starting from now, I'm actually going to change my eye cream and switch to this because I have been hearing a lot of good things about this. I'm so happy it's in the pouch. But anyways, I'll update you once I have tried this for a month or so. And of course, if we're traveling, we can't forget about sunscreen. And they also included this Purito Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen. Now, I have tried the old version of this Purito Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen, and it was very glowy on my skin. I heard that the reformulation, which is this one, is less glowy, but when I tried it, it's very lightweight. There's no white cast. It leaves a very glowy finish on my skin. Maybe because I'm oily combo, but at least it's holding my makeup really well. Well, I'm going to show you the blush that I'm wearing now, but it really adds this like glass skin kind of shine. So far, like other than like my very glowy cheeks, I also find that my forehead is a little glowy. So if you don't mind a very glowy sunscreen, I know a lot of people who loves like a very glowy base. Under my makeup, it actually doesn't disturb my makeup, or like my makeup doesn't really melt too fast with this underneath. So if you like a very glowy base, I think that you would love this sunscreen. One of my favorite things to do when I'm on vacation is to put a mask on. Now, I have tried the VD PDRN serum before, and this is my first time trying the PDRN hydrogel mask. One thing that I noticed compared to the other hydrogel mask that I have used is that this one is easier to maneuver. Like when you place it on, it doesn't slip and slide. Although the first time I've used this, like I couldn't figure out should I like remove, like there's still like a plastic covering on it, so like I couldn't figure it out at first. But in terms of how it sticks on the face, it doesn't, and it's not very delicate, so it really stays up well on the face. And I love that it has this cooling effect, so once you put it on, your face actually feels a little cold, and I think that you would appreciate this, especially now that we're entering the summer months. Next, we have this Tokobo Vita Glaze lip mask. Now, I would buy this just because of the cute packaging. Like, look at that. It's so cute. The only thing with this mask is that it has like a very strong fragrance. It's supposed to smell like grapefruit, but to me it smells like a citrus, like citrusy fresh laundry. So like the fragrance is really strong. But as a lip mask, compared to other lip masks that I have tried, when you put it on, it has this thick consistency, but it feels very light on the lips. It's also not goopy, which I really like. I think that this will be great as a leave-on at night, but in the morning, maybe just use a little. Now let's move on to makeup. Well, two makeup products and one brush. The brush I haven't opened yet, but it's such a cute addition. I love the color. It's so cute. I think that I would use this as like a blush brush. And then they have this Her Moist Ampoule Blusher. Now, I have tried a Her blush before, and because of the very pink pale color, it just disappeared on my skin. So I'm very, very happy to have this. This is in the shade Berry Purple. I have to say, if you're scared of like very purple blush, don't be scared if it's in this formula. As you can see, it's such a dark color. And what I like about this formula is that you can still see your skin underneath. It just really adds that pigment. See? And look at that finish. It's giving you like glass skin, but it doesn't feel sticky at all. Now that I have the right shade for my skin tone, You'll always be seeing me wearing this from now on. Second for makeup is this Kusnori Perfect Setting Mascara. I was actually very intrigued why it's called a setting mascara. Like, what's a setting mascara? I haven't tried it. So apparently this is waterproof, long, and curl. If you're like me who has short, straight lash, I find that it's so hard to find a good drugstore mascara because a lot of the good drugstore mascara or even the high-end ones, they would give you length and they would give you volume, but it wouldn't hold a curl. That's why I really like Asian mascaras, like Korean and Japanese mascaras, and this one is also great. This is in the shade, I'm not sure if it says what shade this is, but it's like a dark brown shade, 02. And it's in a dark brown shade, and I have never tried a dark brown mascara before, but it looks very natural on my lashes. It does really hold my curl well, and I think it's because the formula is very dry. Like, see, even if I, like most mascaras, if you swatch it, you're gonna have a lot of product. This one is more of like a dry formula. And since the formula is drier, the spoolie doesn't get a lot of product. So you have to layer and layer. I think that this would be a great everyday mascara. It's not too dramatic. It's just perfect for everyday. It will just enhance your lashes and keep your curl for a longer period of time. And of course, I have to save the best for last, the star of this pouch, the star of this Vana pouch. This is the Medicube HR Booster Pro Mini. This is the mini version of the cult favorite device, and to have this included in a pouch, I think is an absolute win. And I have the old version of the Medicube HR. And comparing the two, I actually really like this. I prefer this one because it's lightweight. The design is much better. So like it can really go to the crevices of your face and it's easier to maneuver. I really like the size of this. And although it doesn't have the full feature of the HR Booster Pro in the full size, I love that it has two lights. So when you turn it on, I love the sound of this. Ting-ning-ning-ning. So it has the red light, and then if you press twice quickly, then you have the option of having the blue light. Same level, level 1, level 2, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Level 5. So same levels, lesser feature, but I think that if you love traveling with your skincare device, this is awesome. And I also love that most of the skincare are also fragrance free, except for the VT gel mask and the Tokobo Vita Glaze lip mask. So these two are the only products that are not fragrance free. So other than these two, all the products are fragrance free. So I think that all these products can be suited to a lot of skin type, and you can do a full skincare routine with these products. And because you guys are my besties, I did a morning and evening skincare routine that you can follow along using all of the products that I have mentioned. So feel free to screenshot it. So when you get your pouch, you can easily just follow the guidelines for your morning and evening skincare routine. This pouch retails for 199 USD, which I think is unreal considering the value that you're getting, especially with this Medicube mini device in here. And if you want to save even more, you can use my code INF10doll to get 23% off. I'll be putting all the details and links down below. To be honest, I think that this one is one of the best that Stylevana has ever curated. It is now available starting today, June 4th. This, I think, would sell really fast. I remember when I posted a Stylevana box, people are commenting that my link is not working. and it's giving them an error, and that's because they sold out within a few hours. So I'll be posting this exactly on June 4th, maybe at 12 a.m. EST, so that you, my viewers, have the first look of what's inside the Stylevana pouch. So I hope you get one. I'm really excited for you guys. Thank you so much else again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.